To open a drug rehab center, you face a 12 to 18-month pre-revenue runway, and undercapitalization is the leading cause of failure. State licensing takes 3 to 9 months, credentialing 90 to 180 days, and census builds slowly after that. How to open a drug rehab center. The workstreams that decide whether a new facility opens its doors, for owners and operators. We walk every workstream in order: planning, entity, facility, licensing, staffing, credentialing, technology, funding, and accreditation. Demand has never been higher. Fewer than 1 in 10 people who need treatment receive it. Yet the path to open doors is complex. Failed licensing, uncredentialed payers, and zoning rejections have derailed projects at enormous cost. The fastest path is starting outpatient, simpler licensing, lighter facilities, then expanding. New operators project revenue in month 2. In reality, licensing and credentialing run for months. Undercapitalization is the leading killer. Plan at minimum 6 to 12 months of operating capital before insurance revenue stabilizes. Committing to a facility before confirming zoning has cost operators $50,000 to $200,000 in lost deposits. Behave Health's all-in-one platform integrates CRM, EHR, and billing in one system purpose-built for behavioral health. A single integrated system is designed to reduce training burden, eliminate data silos, and streamline the revenue cycle. Allow 60 to 90 days for EHR implementation. Start once you have your lease and staff. 5 work streams decide whether your doors open, and the order you tackle them matters as much as the work. Get the sequence right, and the timeline compresses. Miss it, and you stall or run out of capital. First, prove your market can support your program before spending $1 on legal fees or deposits. Research overdose rates and waitlists. Then map every provider within 30 miles to find your gap. Build a plan, payer mix, a 3-year pro forma, and break even by census level. Next, choose your legal structure and secure a compliant facility, with healthcare counsel involved early. Most organize as an LLC or C corporation. Nonprofits form as 501c3 corporations. Never sign a lease without legal review and written zoning confirmation. State behavioral health licensure is the non-negotiable foundation, and every state runs its own process. Applications run 30 to 100 plus pages, fees $500 to $10,000, timeline 3 to 9 months. Add federal registrations where they apply: DEA to prescribe, a CLIA waiver for labs, NPI for billing. Staffing is your largest expense and most critical quality driver, and the clinical director is the most important hire. Hire the clinical director first. Their credentials anchor the license application, and they build the policies the state reviews. Screen all clinical staff with background and federal exclusion checks. Fraud convictions are disqualifying. Insurance credentialing is the most underestimated bottleneck, and you cannot bill or get paid during it. Credentialing your facility and providers takes 90 to 180 days. Run it in parallel with licensing. Build CAQH profiles for every billable clinician, then submit to each payer and state Medicaid separately. Most successful startups combine 2 or 3 funding streams. Founder equity is fastest, but carries the most personal risk. Small outpatient programs often start on founder equity of about $100,000 to $300,000. The SBA 7A program funds healthcare businesses up to $5 million, terms up to 10 years. Federal grants flow through HRSA, SAM, HSA, and USDA, and state opioid response funding reaches licensed providers. Accreditation is not legally required in most states, but payers increasingly require it, and it signals quality to families and referrers. Most experts recommend waiting 6 to 12 months to collect outcomes data first. Some payer contracts require accreditation within 12 to 24 months. Plan for it early. Even well-funded programs fail on avoidable errors. These 3 appear again and again across new facility startups. Every week of credentialing delay is a week you cannot bill. Start it early, not after licensing. To advertise on Google or Facebook, legit script certification is required, and it takes 4 to 8 weeks. Behave Health supports new and growing centers with software and consulting built for behavioral health operations. The all-in-one platform combines EHR, billing, CRM, and RCM for addiction treatment programs. The Behave 360 program is designed to guide startups across licensing, technology, and operations. It can be operational before you admit your first patient, not the bottleneck on your timeline. Stop letting an underfunded runway stall your launch. Book a 20-minute demo at behavehealth.com. C. The EHR, billing, CRM, and Behave 360 startup consulting at behavehealth.com.